Oh yeah.
We're having a great time.
Have you got my grips?
What?
Have you got my grips?
He's in the middle, nice and sharp. He's off when we finish.
Oh, that's right now. That's right.
Keep the score.
You're asked a lot of questions yesterday, Cal.
Ready to go?
Next stage. Option's quite high.
There we go. Yeah.
So I rotate, he goes higher, South comes in here. Now South is 6. It's the opposite way.
Callum up the gym.
It's alright. You're going to try and work your left here and see what it's like. It's alright, yeah.
And it stops. Okay. Off the pass in. Everyone's going to be in one of the groups, mate. Okay. The bit where you're coming out from the middle.
But the same more technology is better technology.
Nice. Touch.
Yeah, the same hand, put it back in the cups and then you go again.
So I can't pull the car.
Nah, you have to use the same hand.
Okay.
How anticlimactic was that last time, by the way? He's went so slow as well. At least try go fast.
Oh. So I've won again? Yeah. No, but he's just
I literally pushed the foot and yours is way shorter than mine. Right, start.
We're not starting again.
It's a tie then.
It's not a tie.
It's a Christmas time. Cheer for all.
Yeah! Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Callum doesn't do tennis.
Callum is the Gruge.
Stand out for a wee group photo.
Yeah. That's what he's called, isn't it? Gruge.
Gruge? No. Scrooge.
Yeah, Marshall Scrooge.
3, 2, 1. Give us a celebration for me. Same old. Yeah.
That's a bit boring, not like him, though.
Okay.
Just come to the edge. That's what you
Great.
Any of the fans, they're coming in their numbers. They're louder than ever. What's your message for them?
Yeah, just keep doing what you're doing because no, they're fantastic. Anytime we're at Windsor or they come away, they're always brilliant. So yeah, keep doing what you're doing and keep supporting us, and we'll see you tomorrow night.
Cheers. Thank you very much. Recently, he was less complimentary in some of his comments earlier this week about Northern Ireland being annoying. What did you make of it?
I took that as a compliment, really. You know what I mean? My wife says I'm annoying all the time, so it's not something that's alien to me. So yeah, we'll take that as a compliment, and yeah, we won't really, it won't upset us. Put it like that.
Groups of 3! Yes! Yes, on the jog again. Let's get it moving. Everybody need our swords back!
Brad looks smaller than the rest of them.
Look at the way he's got superimposed the crest on the pitch and everything, eh? Is that the Slovakia crest there?
Yeah, it's the level he plays at.
No.
It's the level he plays at.
I would give you that, didn't I?
Yeah.
You wanted to tell Seb, you didn't want to tell
I know the things that you're capable of and what you're not. I know.
Sad Ballard. So you booked Jamie?
My book? No.
There's another midfielder. There's one more. Okay, thanks.
did it?
We called it yesterday, you know.
Yeah, it's the best, and I think Northern Ireland fans are the best in the world. Always have. Even when I take it back to the Euros and stuff, the way we always got praise for being the best fans in the world. It is a great honour, and I think that's what makes it so special playing for Northern Ireland is them fans, and I know to be one as well. So yeah, we have a lot for them to thank. They travel worldwide for us, so we just need to say thank you to them, and hopefully we can do that with a good performance Monday.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you.
Appreciate that.
Cheers.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
I'm sure it's bittersweet. We get this hot body burn this tonight and you're on your socks off. Yeah, great game. Fans really good player of the match.
Legend, thank you.
Where's it going?
My younger brother, I want to take it off and just keep it and just show it to everyone, but what you said, unbelievable to win it, but damn it, you'd rather been playing have this type of fun. I appreciate everyone. Even the way they celebrated when the disavowed goal right then, it just shows you how much they're behind us, how much we need them in games like this. That's what makes it probably more frustrating not to get the win for now.
Big night London.
Exactly, we'll go again.
Enjoy one of them.
Hopefully.
Well done, mate.
If you're good at your role, it doesn't matter if you were a gigantic man.
I love that. But
You
you
might
might
find
find
all
out
this
some
time.
players as well. You know, the one thing that we find in this camp.
I was triple pressed this game. Double pressed. I was just watching it. He's going, go on through it. Keep going, lad, go on. You gentle fans. No, just say get water.
No questions today? Why not?
Because you've been asked the Christmas question already.
Well, here.
Christmas is not here though. So I'm a slave, get me out of there. Do you know what I really want to do? Yes, say yes one. Who's guy wins?
Oh, you'd be good at that. I reckon you'd be good at that.
I do.
I see that.
Think so? I don't know if I'm as resilient as I think I am, do you know what I mean?
Maybe find out you're more resilient than you think you are.
Helicopter backflip. Interrogation under smoke.
Celebrity traders, do that one?
Oh, Traders is unbelievable. I wasn't really into it, and then Mrs. was like, we'll give it a watch.
It's nice, very proud. You know, you're good people, good lads, not just good players, and it's really refreshing to see where our team's at the minute. They're enthusiastic and very humble, as well as being good players. So it's nice, and there is that connection, I think, with all our staff and the players, and they go and play in their clubs in England and Scotland and further afield. Now speaking to young Ross McCausland, he's now in Cyprus. It's we always keep track of them and try and give them as much support on the pitch and off the pitch.
And then just finally as well, it's, you know, the big saying is that you don't forget where you came from, and none of these lads forget where they came from.
No, they don't. We always tell them when they're don't let their accents change too early when they go to their new countries to play their game. But no, one thing I think Northern Ireland people have in abundance is humility, and these players have it, and it's always nice to see them want to. I'm looking forward to come home to put the green jersey on.
Congratulations. Thank you. Surely you want to go more out there, and what about it? It's about an hour, we've had this. Cook's 10 minutes myself.
You know, we have to make a decision whether they start the game, whether they come into the game, or whether they do neither. That'll be pretty much the way it's done, you know, but I'm not going to disclose my team to you Ian, before the game, so we just have to play that one by ear.
Done a lot of work this week. Been a good week. We want to finish on a high. You know, what we got to play for rather. Let's see, this is the first game of our only game in terms of preparation for March. So make sure our mindset for the year isn't just one of the two. The other thing about you need to think about, you know, you never know when the next time you get a chance to play at home will be. So as I say, we play really well here at home, consistently well for a period of time. Make sure that we continue that tonight. Okay, see the little start. Okay, good. Don't waste the opportunity. Okay, ready, play. Good luck.
Your experience is something, but since we last spoke, you've retired. Substitution for Northern Ireland.
What's that? Is it not? Really?
Oh, from one to the other, you should be passing it over.
Got anything for it?
Just a goal, mate.
Yeah,
just a goal.
It's a nice
That's it.
milestone. Yeah.
You can put that underneath.
Okay.
Whenever you're getting this, how did you feel whenever you scored?
delighted, a bit relieved that scoring my first goal is off my shoulders now, and hopefully I can score some more.
Well, the fans voted you player of the match.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
It's hard earned, mate. What do you think of that? Do you have anything to say to the fans that voted it for you?
No, thank you for the support. Obviously my home debut and to score in front of everyone's a dream, so yeah, I'm delighted. Thank you.
Is there anyone at home that's going to be particularly proud of you getting this tonight?
Everyone. It's been a tough couple of months for me, club football, so yeah, I'm delighted. Hopefully everyone's proud of me.
Fantastic. Would we be able to just grab a wee photo of
Yes,
you?
of course.
It's
quite heavy.
I know, isn't it? But we got a wee weighty one.
Freezing.
Selfie just with the trophy. Get our coat back on you, mate.
Cheers. All good?
Yes, mate.
Stand by, please, together.
Never much bigger for us, but just trying to just promote that and trying to instill that to the lads of just get everything you've got, because these next few games can change your life. No, thanks very much. Cheers, thank you.